Hey, Kalia.
Yeah?
Guess what?
What?
So my grandma, she just became a U.S. citizen this past weekend.
Really?
Yeah. You know what? They only had to ask her one question, too.
What is that question, she asked?
They asked her if she knew who the President of the United States was.
And what did she say?
Well, when they asked her, do you know who the President of the United States was, she said, oh, Boma. All right, well, welcome everybody. My name is Peter Vu. I am a recent graduate from the University of Minnesota in entrepreneurial management. Nhớ trong cũng bây giờ Peter Vu, cũng có địa blog trong business từ lúc chạy the University of Minnesota.
Họ cũng hữu cái liều xỉm ba, tại sao cũng cho gần đó tại University of Minnesota, cũng có oi thu này cô. Hello, my name is Kalia May. I am a current student at the University of Minnesota. I'm majoring in elementary education, and we're going to be your MCs for this event today.
We would like to thank you all for joining us today on behalf of the Hmong Minnesota Student Association Board and our volunteers. We are honored to have so many people here today to help us celebrate HMSA's 25th anniversary.
One thing HMSA is that I also do the near the law, the yacht, the punish, the other topic on Huna. Be occasion Huna, to be look on how, do one time, which is HMSA. We don't have Shona, we do the morning or Shona, Shona, or look on Hona. This
year is extra special because this year, Heritage Day is brought to you in 3D. The theme for this year's Heritage Day is Hmongmoir. In combining the words Hmong and memoir, we're able to depict Hmong heritage through a story of personal collections and experiences. This year's play is titled Conclusion lors de l'Ukumo.
Cho nó biết họ diễn giả nhiều anh cho thầu u ở mong chuẩn nhất tích chấm lo nếu lúc về hữu conclusion lors de l'Ukumo.
Hey, I'm outside of your house. You ready to go? All right, it's cool. I can wait. Yeah, Dad?
Tu, comment tu là?
Going to Khoom with Dad.
Còn câu lá?
Yeah, go with the chicken, that's all.
Chỉ trong một liền à? Còn thế sẽ có được chụp cái gì?
Alright, Dad, she's coming. I gotta go. Bye.
Hey!
Hey!
How are you?
Good.
Who are you talking to?
That was just my dad. You look pretty nice, by the way.
Thank you. That shirt is cute on you.
Yeah, I thought it would. Hey, bye.
You can't go out so late. My mom and dad might worry if I do.
Yeah, I understand. I'll take you home late.
Aw, you're so sweet.
You ready to go?
Yep, let's go.
Yeah. get got the game, got the name, wanna go to the danger. I'm gonna come on, go bust the loot, yeah, the yacht, block, we get you loot and do. It's up, you must show, yeah, what's up, dude? Baby, give me the because the young man, really love for good.